What's going on, fam? My name is Henry, and if you're new here, welcome. Please hit that like, subscribe, and comment if you choose to. One thing about riding these beasts, they get filthy. As you can tell with all this rain out here from Texas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, I think it ran with us all the way until Florida. The Blue Devil got filthy. And when I mean filthy, I mean filthy. I don't know what I got, what type of road grime that comes from those states, but it was a killer trying to get all this stuff off. But guess what? We back looking good again. Check this out. I'm gonna catch you guys on the back end of this. Enjoy a fresh and clean Blue Devil. Hey, this is the end. I'm sorry. We gotta go. We gotta part ways. Thank you once again for checking me out. Please like, comment, subscribe. I look forward to my next video. See you then.